Hi, this is Pete from Clinton County Soil and Water. During this time of COVID-19 self-isolation in an undisclosed government location, I decided to do a video on using aerial drones for conservation planning. The Soil and Water District purchased a Mavic Pro aerial drone for conservation planning purposes about a year ago. Once we purchased the drone, I got my Part 107 FAA license to fly the drone for business and district purposes. The reason we chose this drone is because it is very small, foldable, portable, and easy to use. Besides taking beautiful aerial images like the one you see on my desktop, we use it for mapping of conservation project sites. The first program we use is called Drone Deploy. It is a program that you can download online. There is a paid version, but there is also a free version for smaller projects. In this case, we pre-map the flight plan for the drone over a farm that has barnyard and pasture issues. In this case, we set the flight altitude. We tell it how many pictures we want it to take. It gives us a readout of how many minutes it's going to take, and once the drone is up in the air, the program takes over, takes the photos, flies the drone, and when it's done, comes back to land. Following the capture of all the photos, we use another online program called Maps Made Easy, which also has a free version for smaller projects that we use to upload all the photo data into the program. As you see here, it inserts those photos once stitched together into Google Earth. The beauty of the system is that once the photos are stitched together and inserted, is that you can then zoom in and really get a picture of what's going on the ground. In this case, you can see the barnyard and laneway is severely deteriorated. There's a water tub that is an attractant that keeps them right there, and things are pretty beat up and need to be fixed. Once uploaded to this Maps Made Easy website, you have the capability of downloading about a dozen different formats. We use the GeoTIFF format to insert into our ArcGIS program that allows us to use mapping and planning tools to create some really nice plans. Another interesting feature is the 3D imagery, which allows you to see 3D images of the farmstead. As you can see, the higher structures are red, lower is blue, so you really get a good picture of the ground contours and the buildings. Stay tuned for more videos and keep safe in your isolated locations. Thank you.